This video is about combining like terms. The first thing you have to do is figure out what terms are the same. X would go with 3x. 2x squared would not go with the x term because both the variable and exponent has to be the same. If they are not the same, they cannot be combined. Example 1. We have 3x plus 2xy plus 4y squared minus 2x plus 5xy minus 7y squared. The easiest thing to do is to put shapes around things that are similar. So let's first start with the x terms. We have 3x and negative 2x. The sign in front of it needs to go with it. And then we're going to go ahead and put a triangle around the xy terms. So we have a positive 2xy and a positive 5xy. And then lastly, we have our y squared terms. We have a positive 4y squared and a negative 7y squared. So now we're going to go ahead and combine these. So I'm going to take my 3x minus 2x. So 3 minus 2 is 1x. Looking at our xy terms, I have a positive 2xy and a positive 5xy. So we combine the coefficients. So we're going to have 2 plus 5 is 7xy. And then lastly, we have our y squared terms. We have positive 4y squared and minus 7y squared. So 4 minus 7 is negative 3y squared. That would be our final answer to the expression above. Example number 2. We have 4a plus 4a squared plus 3a cubed plus 2a squared b minus 2a plus 3a squared. There's a lot going on with this. Just like before, we're going to go ahead and break it down. We're going to circle our a terms. So we have 4a and we have negative 2a. I'm going to go ahead and combine these right now just to get it done with. We have 4a minus 2a, which would give us 2a. I'm going to cross them out so we know that it's done. Now we're going to go to the a squared term. We have 4a squared. We have this term here that has an a squared, but because the b is attached, it is not alike. Both the variables and exponents have to be the same. But this term, the positive 3a squared, has the same variable and exponent. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So we're going to have 7a squared. Again, I'm just going to cross them out so that I know we've taken care of it. And the next thing we have is a 3a cubed. There are no other a cubed terms, so we're just going to go ahead and write it down. And then lastly, we have this term right here, 2a squared plus b. Again, there's no other terms that are a squared and b, so we're just going to leave it. That would be the solution to this expression. Steps for combining like terms. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to find terms that have the same variables and exponents. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to add or subtract the coefficients of the like which ultimately that is simplifying. Now it's your turn to try some 2 through 2 of the 3